Welcome back to our YouTube channel CADCAMSTER. Today we will draw this part in Solidworks with the help of this drawing. First I will draw this base profile and these four holes and these two cutouts. Then I will extrude this part and then we will draw this cylinder as you can see that in this drawing. Then we will create this flange with two holes. Select file, select new, select part, press OK. Now go to sketch, select front plane. First we will create this rectangle or square of side 80 by 80 millimeters. So go to center rectangle, select this point and create a square. Go to smart dimension, select this side, enter value of 80 millimeters, select this side, enter the value of 80 millimeters. Now we will create these four fillets. First we will create these four holes of dia 10 millimeters on pitch circle of 85 mm. For this, create center circle, select this point and create a circle of diameter 85 mm. Select smart dimension, go to this circle and enter the value of 85 mm. Select the circle and check for construction. Now we will create four circles of diameter 10 mm on the intersection point of this circle and this diagonal. Now go to circle, select this intersection point and create a circle. Go to smart dimension, select the circle and enter the value of 10 mm. Now we will create a horizontal and vertical construction lines to mirror this circle. So go to center line, create a vertical center line. Now again go to center line and create a horizontal center line. Sorry. Now go to mirror entities, select entities to mirror, means this circle and mirror about this axis. Again go to mirror entities, select these two circles and mirror about this axis. Now we will create fillet of radius 10 on these four corners. Go to fillet, select this corner, this corner, this corner and this corner. Enter the value of 10 mm and press OK. Now we will create this semicircular cut of radius 15 mm whose center to center distance with this circle is 38 mm. For this, go to circle, select a random circle of radius 15 mm means diameter of 30 mm and again go to smart dimensions, select this circle, center of the circle and this point. This is 38 mm. Now go to trim entities, trim this half portion. Now we can see that it is still underdefined because it is showing in blue color. So what we'll create, we will select the center of this circle and this line to be center of this circle and this center to be horizontal. But the center will not be coincide. Select this center and this, make a horizontal relation. Now go to mirror entities. Select this arc and this. Only select this arc. And mirror about, select this horizontal construction line. Now go to trim entities. Trim this portion, this portion, and this portion. On the other side too, trim this portion, trim this extended part, and this portion. Now we get the desired profile. Now we will extrude it 12 mm. Go to Features tab, select Extruded Boss Base, select value 12 mm and enter. We have created the base profile. Now we will create this cylinder of diameter 50 mm. For that, select this face, normal to sketch. Go to circle, select the center and create a circle. Go to smart dimensions, select this circle and this will be 50 mm diameter. Now go to convert entities, convert this arc, select this arc, press OK. Now go to trim entities, trim this portion, this portion, this portion. Again trim this portion, and this portion. Now we have got the desired shape of our cylinder and we will extrude it. How much distance? Let's see the drawing. The distance will be 62 minus 12 mm. So go to Features tab, select Extrude Boss Base and enter the value. What is the value? 62 minus 12 mm. 62 minus 12 mm means 50 mm. Now we will create a hole of diameter 26 mm throughout this cylinder. Select this face, sketch, select center circle, create a circle and go to smart dimensions, select the circle and enter the value of 26 mm. Now go to features, select extrude cut, here select through all both. Now you can see that we have created a hole of dia 26 mm throughout the cylinder of dia 50 mm. Now we will create these two chamfers of value 2 mm and 45-degree angle. For this, go to features, click here and select chamfer. Select this side and select this side. Enter the value of 2 mm and 45-degree angle. Press OK. Now you can see that we have created this fillet 2. Now we will create this flange, top flange. Select this face, normal to, and sketch. First we will create horizontal and vertical center lines. This is horizontal center line. Again go to center line, and this is vertical center lines. Now first we will create a circle of dia 70 mm. Go to circle, select this point, go to smart dimensions, select this circle and enter the value of 70 mm. Now we will create these two circles of dia 14 mm and dia 30 mm. Radius is 15, means dia is 30. So we will create these two circles of dia 14 and dia 30 at a distance of 50 mm with the center of this cylinder. So go to circle, create two circles, go to smart dimensions, inner circle dia is 14 mm and outer circle diameter is 30 mm. And the center to center distance between this and this center is 50 mm. Now it is fully defined. Now we will create a line which is tangent to this circle and this circle. For that, go to line, select this circle and select this circle. Now exit. Now go to trim entities. Trim this portion, trim this portion, and trim this portion. Now again go to center line. We will trim this portion too and this portion too. Now go to mirror entities, select this side, and mirror about this side. Again go to mirror entities, select this side, this circle, this side, and this arc, and mirror about this horizontal center line. Press OK. Now we have got the desired flange profile, and we will extrude it not here. However, we will extrude it at some offset distance of this, and this offset distance is 62 minus 45 minus 8. Okay, that will be 9 mm. So we will extrude this profile at offset distance of 9 mm. So go to features, select extrude boss base. Now here select offset distance of, press enter value 9 mm, opposite direction, select direction up to value of 8 mm. Here enter value of 8 mm. Press enter. Now the flange is created. Now we will create this profile. The diameter of the inner circle, you can see that, is 10 mm, and the center distance between this center of the circle and base is 25 mm, and the fillet or outer circle to the base is 35 mm, and its thickness or width is 20 mm. So to create this, select this face, normal to sketch, select line command, select this side, create a line, then create a arc, then again create a line and close it. Now again create a circle, select the center and create a circle. Now go to smart dimensions, select the circle, its diameter is 10 mm. Now again select smart dimensions, select the circle, center of the circle and select the base or this point. The distance is 25 mm. Again select smart dimensions, select this point and this point. This value is 35 mm. Now we will add a relation, select this point and this point, add a relation of vertical. Now again select a smart dimension, select this side, enter the value of 20 mm. Now we will extrude this up to this surface. Go to features, select extrude boss base, select here up to the surface, select this surface, select OK. Now we have created successfully this profile. Now we can see that this inner circle has a cutout up to the inner cylinder. So we have to extrude cut. So select this face, sketch, go to convert entities, select the circle, OK. Now go to features, select extrude cut, select here up to the surface, select this surface. I think I'm doing something wrong. So let's clear it. We can, although we can create a circle through blind, select blind and drag this handle up to the center of this cutout. Now we have to make this portion hollow too. Select this face, sketch, convert entities and go to features and extrude cut. Select here through all both. Now we have finally created this part. If you want to recheck your drawing, you can switch to hidden lines visible mode, and along with, you can see that by this view you can verify whether you are doing it right way or wrong.